Wealthy Affiliate. What is it and why you should choose it? So this is only going to be a 60-second video. So in this video, I will cover the first reason you should choose Wealthy Affiliate if you're interested in becoming an affiliate marketer. So the first reason is Wealthy Affiliate is a school for affiliate marketers only. It contains 12 courses that covers 120 lessons, and it covers every single aspect that goes into building your online presence, your website, and everything that goes into that. Now that's just the first reason. More reasons will come. Stay tuned. Welcome back to the second reason Wealthy Affiliate should be your go-to for making money online. So Wealthy Affiliate is basically a social media platform for affiliate marketers. As you can see, there's a follower system, a posting system. You can post blogs to your profile, get answers, communicate, throughout the whole platform with anyone. You can ask any questions, search up any questions, find the answers, anything regarding affiliate marketing. You also have access to a live chat feature in which you can ask any questions, make any comments, answer any questions. It's pretty neat. Welcome back to the third reason why you should choose Wealthy Affiliate. So Wealthy Affiliate is a hosting platform. It has its own hosting platform integrated in with the website. You can find, register, and manage your domains, build your website, manage your websites, request site feedback, site comments. We'll dive into each of these in future videos, but this one I wanted to talk about site support. This is very cool and a very interesting feature because anytime you have an issue with your website, all you have to do is submit a site support ticket, and if your site's broken, they will fix it. If you just had a question or was wondering something, they will respond and give you the answer. As you can see, I have submitted a lot of support tickets, and never has it taken them longer than 24 hours to respond. Welcome back to reason number 4 for why you should choose Wealthy Affiliate. In this episode, we're going to talk about site domains. With their site domains feature, you can search for available domains, claim them, and purchase them. So as an example, I was thinking some kind of niche about phone cases, reviewing phone cases. So I tried PhoneGuardian.com. Looks like that was taken. And I thought, well, let's narrow it down to iPhone cases. So I put an I in front, and the domain was available. iPhoneGuardian.com. That would be a great domain for a niche website reviewing iPhone phone cases. Don't not leave me a like unless you don't disagree. Welcome back to the 5th episode of why you should choose Wealthy Affiliate. So after you find your domain, you register, and you purchase it, it's going to show up in your list of websites in Site Manager. Here you can see I have 4 websites. From here, you can log into your website backend, edit your comments, view your comments, approve them, reset your password, and whenever you hit the details button over on the right, it's going to pull up a screen about the website, and you'll see that there are site speed, site SSL, and site protect features that you can enable. That means that you don't need a caching plugin, you don't need a spam plugin, and you don't need an SSL plugin. It's all built in to Wealthy Affiliate. It even has page speed insights integrated for each of your pages.